เรย์เมกับดาอาจวิคำตายาเปล่าปิงมิสสปริงละมิสชูรีลิลีละคณินีรุงกี้จิตาดัลเลยตังคุลนาวคณีมิสเวิลด์ไอน่ะเอเชียฟิสิกงหันวิวังคุลิฟายซาให้เรามันนี่บุญนักช่องทีมราวันวิวังช่องจากงคุยกีดัลเลยอาตัมกษังขวิทิลีทาวรมันสวิตาให้เราเลยแข่งทอร์อาจจะตังคุลเอ็กซ์เพรสวิปาวริมพาวันจิมิกอินปามิดเลยปาวปิงไม่ซาอินังนางรำซาชูรีลิลีนิดเรย์ขมยอนฮิลีมีสปริง2022ละรุงกีดะเลยดะเลย2019 kum Miss Spring Rung Khmer the Indigenous Foundation we azing ne Miss Spring Organizing Committee na ajwi hili ka kathuma Miss Spring hi rung mi luira da kapi shoka Shuri Lili Nitre Khamayon we akaya kasada Miss Spring Mingpho aina ngala khangayan hi 2018 kum Shuri Yola Imphal na hapo khamina da hanga ngala khangayan rani rungsa da hauguphogli Shuri Lili khaya kashi jithei da Shuri Lili Miss Mingpho aina tatsa da Shuri Yola Imphal na phaning da Shuri khuli ningchuk ji hangjithe ya khaji Shuri khuna mamayami thu gchina da the Indigenous Foundation na kapi shok chile hanga jitha da sa da Miss Spring ningchuk hi Shuri Yola Imphal na khui gshok sa thu da Miss Spring Mingpho aina ngala khangayan makhok mi khawai Shuri Yola Imphal we mangle mashun laya kaji hi hanga 2019 kum Miss Spring hi the Indigenous Foundation na yang sanglo da Shuri Yola Imphal na jisin ka haina ani shiwi Memorandum of Understanding MOU kala Letter of Authorization la leidale Miss Spring hi singum kuthumui wang yang sang mi khawai the Indigenous Foundation li khamina chia Zat Ramamanda Miss Spring Mingpho aina mazadla Miss Shuri Lili aina zat khawai da Shuri khuli petition mi sanga kha chiwi agenda chiwi twitak matami la hall aina rashum ka haina da the Indigenous Foundation na hanga Jida da sa da 2019 kum hi Shuri Lili phanidli ngala khangayan Mingpho Miss Spring aina sa ka haina da hanga 2020 aina 2021 liba COVID mi mawi wang aina Shuri Lili nitre mamayon to the Miss Spring la Marung mi tua. Mi mau pasang uda stage shorkana state level Shuri Lili Festival rungura kachiaina Indigenous Foundation Miss Spring Organizing Committee nala kakatuma Miss Spring kapangura kachi khangaran sapokda fund allocation kala official slot allotment readerway thada mi khawai committee jina state chief minister lila wasam phanga da hanga Fund allocation wiwang Chief Minister na Jizukhmi Athishuda Miss Spring Organizing Committee na Minister Kushim Washum MLA K Lesio kala MLA Ramwiwa Atumlila Wasam Phangachia Miss Spring wiwang Publicity Materials kala audition tarik la shokra da lehai ka sana ka official order mamirang lakha publicity mazat follow da concerned department na hanghau da remai da mak shok na chia Shuri Yola Imphal Anishiwi MOU hi 2022 li paida makasai sanga kha the Indigenous Foundation na Miss Spring yang gasang hi ajukum na khanawang sara Indigenous Foundation na chitha da Honda Lailaka organization katay akana Miss Spring 2022 rungra da rara sai kichi hi hangda organization jinala khangaran hapok haukada ya relief hap magata bukhangapa lengsa ka haina da hanga mapha ga khui hi thar khui khawai da ngasan khawai Indigenous Foundation na organization group akapa shili lang hotwaya kha group chiwi aina kaphang han ka kamalai thuwa da hanga Zimik ka shang laga group jina Miss Shuri Lili Mingpho aina ngala khangayan rani khuikara da shokra ka sana da hanga yarina thepai Miss Shuri Lili Khare edition da Seven Sisters Foundation na sada khalena Indigenous Foundation Miss Spring Organizing Committee na migushok pau athishuda Seven Sisters Foundation na state authorities we khamaya lamajangla press conference la rung publicity campaign la jat auditions la saka haina Ara Miss Shuri Lili we audition la kupsang da ajewi hili kapangura la Miss Spring la sara da shokhaira Chitha kha Shuri Lili nitre hili ngaka khangayan ngatei te da khani rungki kichi hi ka katha khala Shokta Khaleji Mung Datura the Yari Ningli Zangsirdale. Indigenous Foundation Miss Spring Organizing Committee Nala Shokta Khalehiwi Kangaroji Hangda Pangshop Khalayali Ngashika Jihauda Katena Sami Kahai Odli Disgraded Masami Paimana. Ajay Arewe Alungli Kayashing Rock the Zatki Kuchina the Hang. Kangaje Quirala Zatkana Procedure Systemly Shurlaga Sagi Kuchina the Hang. Miss Spring 2022 to 2023 Mokok Mikavaida Ajahon Tarik Trada Turuktang Directorate of Tourism na Expression of Interest Color Rate Quotation Lupa Lak Tharali Mujung Maila Mira Kawai Ngahota Chile Indigenous Foundation Aina Seven Sisters Foundation Kanini na Tender Thasanga Taiki Kuchiva Seven Sisters Foundation Nava Miss Shuri Lili Kapangrada Tatraka Haina Ka Directorate of Tourism Nava Miss Spring 2022 to 2023 Wibang Ngahot Kahaina. Chile Indigenous Foundation Aina Seven Sisters Foundation Kanini na Tender Thasanga Taiki Kuchiva Seven Sisters Foundation Nava Miss Shuri Lili Kapangrada Tatra Kahaina Ka Directorate of Tourism Nava Miss Spring 2022 to 23 Wibang Kangahotna. Indigenous Foundation rate quotation chung makeup the Sakapai Lupa 8.25 lakhs Thasang Seven Sisters Foundation Lupa Lakhani Tangkhai Thakasangna the Hanga. Seven Sisters Foundation Lupa Lakhani Tangkhai Mang Thakasang Jiva predatory pricing abnormally low bids kaja Oji Sampankawai the rate Tiaoshun Aina Mikasangna Kajihi Hangda Ministry of Finance Department of Expenditure Way Procurement Policy Division Atishuda predatory pricing Mamayamana da Kapishoka. The Indigenous Foundation Miss Spring Organizing Committee na Migushok Thaka Concerned Department na Aya Aina Tangda hi tender Thakasang Kachipashili Kwikala Official Order Mamishokrang. Seven Sisters Foundation Hiva Ngala Kangayan Beauty Pageant Organized Kasawi Key experience kala Malay Manada the Indigenous Foundation Miss Spring Organizing Committee na Kapishoka. Shuri Lili Nitreva Kamong Pei Rashumura Laga Miss Kagapangwe Official Decision Mukwirang Kachina. State Festival Sahoda Sadak Lake Kuchivali Professionalism Le Plungra Maningaka State Hi Manushing Nau Kawai Ngasahara the Indigenous Foundation Miss Spring Organizing Committee with Director 2016 Miss Manipur Papa Kuchiwi Ming Aina Turkami Shoka.
Moibu authorization piram batara de khoi bu tender ko ro heba pi da bana maram oiraga khoi bu tender ko re result su thoktre hairakani haye hoji pha hairaktre we are still waiting firm amarom they are going ahead with whatever they had to do. We want the result to be declared as to which firm has the director tourism has issued the authorization. Until today we haven't got the authorization, we are still waiting for it, but then Shuri Lili Festival is tomorrow, so that is the issue that is happening right now. We have signed the MOU and it is still standing, but then another firm has come and they said like they are doing it as Miss Shuri Lili, not Miss Spring. But when the tender was called, it is called as Miss Spring, not Miss Shuri Lili.
Tangkhul Lasio Kani Physics Kamatha Kapang Miss World Club Miss Asia with trial selection ne qualify Sahara. Ajahon Tarik Makada Aka Aina Makada Khani Thang Himachal Pradesh li Chiwi trial selection rungda Kusom Khulen now Solimla Jajo Aina Leishi Khui Solan Jajo Ani Ngahan Jili Zangbaira Chikhaina. Trial Jili Wazang Khawai Manipur we bodybuilding team semda Chiwiwang All Manipur Bodybuilders Association AMPPA na trial selection salaga Bijikoli Kapang Kuina. Solan Jajo Aina Solimla Jajo hi Royal Gymnasium Ukruli Robert Leshang Tem Meiti we azingli train sada klena. Anina kahakang hanjili wazang khawai qualify sahira kachiwi ringapha pau kapha hi Bodybuilders Association of Ukrul District na Miraya. Manipur na kashong timrawan wiwang shongza ngakhui ki da ledale Shuri Lili Phanit Khamayon hili T Qualif ko event management society na mayor na we half marathon rungmi ki da ledale Khangacha marathon hi kilometer hangmati da mati shikhawi chang yong kichi hi achiwi Shuri Lili marathon hili kilometer makada khani yongki kichi wiwang half marathon da kazat kasana T Qualif na rungmiki kichi Shuri Lili marathon chi say no to drugs kichi hina tikui sada rungmiki kichi na itumwi apomli khanuithot hiya nisha ari araina sajada khalai kala chief minister birenna thanda state shorkarwi war on drugs campaign ni ngasungda kasana da t colif na hanga tukui jili langmaida ajakum t colif na marathon rungki da khalai hiwi pau apam katata wale ngayawa da tangkhul manipur makan shok da yarina kushong timrawan we khamatha tek khamatai ngachan khuirano kiji ningrin aina shiroi lili nitre hi promote sami da leida t colif na hanga chida da sada nitre hi wi shongja khanga khui hi run for kushong timrawan say no to drugs kiji hina kakatom phongshokra khani thot pingna akachang makhaning nishari le atamba shiman pamla phasa ka pha otsak khayong ngariau ngahanwak mai ngarelo kachila kasata khlai kasana da t colif na hang hi katha shongja khanga khui rani khirami da kala ngahan kateili la changkhangai ningai aina thang practice ka sa hi ithumi apamle chatkhana khira khawai ningrin la changda nitre hiwi marathon hi rungkhamina da hang shiroi lili marathon je ajwi tarik magada thuruk thang ngahan ki kuchina shongja khanga khui ji ukrul to shiroi to ukrul da hanungra India we apam ngatai dai dali thauraman swita haira petrol na liter akali lupa chiko naya hangphanga swita haira diesel na literally lupa shini swita haira thauraman swikada hi central excise duty man swita mi ka highway wangna pau hi aya finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman na Twitter le phongshoka Sitharaman na kahang chida excise duty swita committee na sarkar with revenue li lupa crore lakh akhaka da sajara chia finance minister jina kahang ajikumba sarkar na gas cylinder we lupa shakhanini ka da aman swita mi gi da leidalai subsidy committee cylinder tharada khani ka da we khuipai kalachi pradhan mantri ujwala yojana we beneficiaries crore chiko ka da le mira cylinder man swita khami chinala sarkar we kumkha revenue lupa crore Ting thuruk shika satsagi kuchina da hang. Plastic products sem khawai raw materials we customs duty la switami haura. Finance minister na kahang COVID kala Ukraine li shock da khale. Rod khamrad wiwang aina supply chain li satsa how the audio tarakha phungung phungwa kasale she khu thaira. Chu wiwang aina otman kakana kha lansin li mamathala la otman kakahi mahen khawai sarkar na yangsang mi da leida Sitharaman hanga. Shiroi lili nitre hili MTP downhill race la saki da leidale. Ngahan chiwiwang India we apam ngatai de we aina cyclist makuda khani na sharo khuiki da leidale. MTP downhill race ji ukruli tarik makuda phanga thangwe aina nitre pei da sawara. MTP downhill race hi Manipurli kharai sa da 2017 kum Shiroi lili nitre li Chiko adventures na hawpok khamina. Chiko Adventures he stayed with adventure kala eco-tourism promote kasa Tangkhul nauna kasem group akhana 2019 kum lila race chili state tharawe aina shurok khui thekhuya MTP downhill race hi kasak ngahan li changa kala reader Chiko Adventures na race chi rungmi ka hai chi cyclist pingna ningyang ongla ka da hanga achi we hili mupung phalak aina rungmira da Chiko Adventures na ninghaklak aina leidale Mathada sakhuyaka ukrul hila India we MTP races rungkhawai apong khakha leida khlena MTP World Cup kathala ithumi ngaleili rungkapai na da hanga kha apong mathalak aina leilala Chiko Adventures li funding khami mathada makhlei wiwang kasak leya da hangdale Arunachal Pradesh li lupa 1180 crore kadawi Reksang Hakasang project with foundation stones aya Union Home Minister Amit Shah na shun mihaira Shah na khamutwili khangacha modili musot khami milushita Northeast India wiwang Prime Minister na muchu khami kala khangache khira khami maramle phaijitheya Amit Shah na namsaya rigazib akhali kahang reader disputes insurgency maraksapam Prime Minister Narendra Modi na thanda tourism development infrastructure khamatha khwirami da lei kachi hi hang Shah na kahang reader we aina yanglaga Northeastly insurgency outshot 79% swita haira Parsuram Kund Lohit district we tourism matha sang khawai masangla real kari khwirami hawra da Shah na hang double engine Modi government na central le kala state we pema khantu sarkar le shitkasang leilo kichi hi hangda masangla Arunachal hina India we resang makeup kichi state ngasara the Union Home Minister Amit Shah na hang thought hi we Tangkhul naga nauping itume aman kasaka ngashan phaning ung ngasak khawai ka kathong sada featherhead haukuina haunaw ko ho EP aka semshok haira EP jili gazang la haunaw harwa kuiret we music video la semda chi ya rile achi chi themi ki da ledale haunaw harwa kuiret kachi la chi ngana khuida Tangkhul naga khangasawe mukun phaning ung rano acha laga Tangkhul naga nauping tacham taram chingri aina resang chonme na sokme shanglak ka hai kharang hong shiri shira mayon tita pam ka sakala arihon yanga kha itumi saklak ka hai environment sach manda khlewe angaret hi phaning khwing sak nga ya da hang Tangkhul naga nauping na ngurung khung ka hai khamashungwe alungle okthi ka sa thada okthi wasa ka chi hi how now ipili kapi ka hai la bingchina ka guzum ngasaya ichi chawe ngashan mangawata hai maher haila angayung phakhuida Tangkhul awo aina haimi ka hai maya lak ka hai shanglak ka hai ngashan le singtit khuida okthisa ka chi hi featherhead haukuina how now ipi hiwe aina hangka chipun ka sana da hanga featherhead haukuina Tangkhul express le ka hang chatra ka hai jingum atam mimawe alungli artist pingchangda ashina kasak khawat tara kha samphangda ra ka haina chitha ilala music hina athumle manga ngareshap ngasakda mimau alungli la athumi kashap aina music je kakap la khareng hot khana manga samla raya da featherheads na hang chitha da sada achuwi ep how now da kap ka hai hi ya rile masangla phongmi gi kichi je ringapha niyang khung samphanga da hang featherheads na sem ka high music ya really ji the ngai ryo leida lei kichi hangda ajiwi ep how now da sem ka shok hila ya rina ka tom khami leshi khami we alungle sem ka shok na da ning shi phongshaka music video how now harwa kuiret sem khawai ka salila lupa khanga chap le how da ya really khanga kaw tharan crowd funding aina ngachon mi ya da hang Ogatu we regasang hakasang kangaje khui khara alung hile magapha apong ngatei te da nisha aria rai chamkhor gadget hikatatha shijin khungui hina khani thotra kha manghaira da chiwi ning ka kharikla chile phongshok ta leijia featherhead how kui we how now harwa kui red music video je aje ukhru town hall ngazin pung phangale ji themiro yang khawai ticket lupa shashana
Hoziki matamda mipum khodimakna hainari stay home stay safe wahai se magun dilei adubu wahai da magun leiragata yabasu natte oibe yai yumadu da magun leirabade mamangai dadi yumse yum khakta oirame hozikti office spa salon restaurant supermarket manamasingi kaitel Angang singi school amadi football field pumnamak yum ngaktani hojikti yum danatana hairiba pumnamak sing sisu samely aduna yumbu yam section na sabiyu make cement ga loinana make cement take laroi da yum tat laroi da mari
Dr. Helena Eye Care Center opposite Raj Medicity, North AOC, Imphal. Dr. Helena Eye Care Center li surgery, prosthetic eye, contact lenses, artificial eye testing, frames, different fibers, glasses, hikatatha sapaira. Visiting hours na summerly Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sunday li na 8 a.m. to 12 noon na. Appointment vivang 977 406 5535 call Sami Pai.
Japan le kwa summit ka zibli Prime Minister Narendra Modi la wazangki da leidalai Modi na Japan ni khani thang wa gazang le kharjan saki kuchi India Japan Special Strategic Global Partnership maram na khamataya tupong sara da hang Prime Minister na kahang kwat kathan pingna kazip chili Indo-Pacific pamwe rei kasang hakasang maram kala global issue Maramla ngasanra Prime Minister Modi na US President Joe Biden lila kharjan kasa samphangra Tharada Committee India Japan Annual Summit achahon mayo gachang pamda Japan na India li invest kala finance saki kuchi maramla ngasan haira Prime Minister Kishida aina Modi na Japanese yen trillion phanga da public kala private investment hapo khwaila ngazek haira Prime Minister na Japan khawale Japanese business kathana pinglila samphangda Japan aina India with lansin khangashik maramlila ngasan haira Lat Lushida Ajui Kamataya Pauping Miss Spring la Miss Shuri Lilila Kanini Rungi Chitadalai Tangkhul now Kani Miss World Aina Asia Physics Ngahan Wiwang qualify Sahira Manipur na Kashong Timrawan Wiwang Shongja Ngukwiki Dalaya Atam kasang kawitili Tauraman Swita Haira Aji Pao Henang Jang Haira Pao Nadaklay Natum Psycho Relate Ringapa Kalakam Haya Zimik Show Saserano